Parametric 3D modeling not only helps you get your job done faster, but it also provides the basis for additional work you can do to improve the performance of your products, and it makes the process of getting into manufacturing easier. Quickly make parametric design changes in Inventor and see the updates reflected in the 3D model. Connectivity with downstream deliverables such as drawings, renderings, simulations, toolpaths, and bill of materials means that whatever your 3D model changes, it will be reflected everywhere. You can also automate common modeling tasks and control product configurations. Built-in rules-based design technology can easily drive parameters that you've defined, no complex programming necessary. You can also use your 3D models to optimize performance and streamline your development process. With Inventor Nastran, analyze your models in the CAD environment, including nonlinear, fatigue, and thermal simulation. Idealizations such as bolts, beams, and rigid elements help produce quick and accurate results. And choose from a variety of nonlinear material models to handle advanced scenarios. Inventor Tolerance Analysis reports the mechanical fit and performance of designs based on dimensional tolerances. With an in-canvas workflow that uses GD&T right on your model, analyze critical areas of your design to ensure they satisfy your objectives for manufacturing. In the Tolerance Analysis panel inside Inventor, you'll find immediate worst case and root sum squared results for dimensions that contribute to the stack-up, as well as bonus statistical results for CPK, sigma, defects per million, or yield. Then, quickly create a full report, including imagery, tolerance objectives and results, and a list of contributors and percentages for the stack-up, to communicate your findings to quality or manufacturing engineers. And finally, with Inventor CAM, you can generate toolpaths with CAD-integrated multi-axis CAM software. Even if you make a change to your design, the CAM toolpaths update automatically. With Inventor Parametric 3D CAD, you can streamline design work and benefit from downstream applications of 3D models, from advanced simulation to manufacturing preparation.